everyone, we are here in Santevi and right now I am going to do a house tour. So for today's video, ang i-house tour natin or itutour natin is our Santevi Mansion Duplex. So tara! First, let's start with this part. Etong part na to, this is the carport. As you can see, spacious siya. Kasya ang isang sasakyan talaga natin. And, oops, ano yun? Definitely mahaba siya. Diba? Kasi hanggang dito yan. Hanggang dito yung parking space ninyo. Diba? It's so mahaba. Kasyang SUV natin dito. And by the way, pwede din kayong magpalagay ng bakod and then ng gate. Now, aside from this one, aside from the carport, meron ka pa ditong outlet. Etong outlet na to, you can use this pag magpapa-extend ka naman ng kitchen mo. Again, uulitin ko, pwedeng magpalagay ng bakod, pwede din magpalagay ng gate. So, para mas ma-visualize niya siya, itong partition na yan, yung fence na yan, yan po yung guide natin kung hanggang saan yung property natin. Kasi lot area is 80 square meter. Floor area naman is 53 square meter. Now, aside from outlet na meron tayo sa kabilang side, again, that is the right side of your property. Meron din tayo dito on the left side of your property. We have here, ayan, this is I think 2 meters wide siya na outlet pa from here sa may pathway hanggang dun sa dulo. So, malaking space pa siya. Malaking lot pa siya. Pwede naman dyan yung laundry area natin. What else? Pwede din siguro dyan storage area or kahit isa pang room, pwede dyan. Again and again, pwedeng magpabakod, pwedeng magpalagay ng gate. Now, let's go here naman sa middle part. So, dito naman, as you can see, meron pa tayong lot dito na pwede naman maging patio garden or pocket garden ninyo. So, pwede yan dito. Pwede nyo din yan ipatiles everyone if you wanted to. Okay? Now, here, ito yung ating pinakang facade. Ito yung maging facade natin. And dito tayo sa loob. Taran! Ganito naman ang itsura niya from the inside. Complete finished house and lot po ito. So, as you can see, meron na tayong tiles. Painted na yung walls natin. Yung mga windows natin here. Sliding windows, lahat yan. We also have a sliding door here. Ito yung pupunta dun sa pinakita ko sa inyo kanina na outlet na pwede niyong gawin expansion ng kitchen. Now, for the sink, we have here a sink already. But, if you wanted na ilabas yung sink, it's okay. But, upon turnover, ganito niyo na po siya ma-receive. So, you have here your sink. Meron na din tayo dyang outlet or saksakan. And here is your first toilet and bath. Bakit naman first toilet and bath? It's because we have 2 toilet and bath here. So, isa sa baba, isa sa taas. And ganito po siya pag turn over sa inyo. As you can see, may tiles na siya. Yung buong walls natin, naka-tiles na din yan. Meron tayong telephone shower, outlet for the heater, the toilet, the lavatory. So yan, ganito yung ating first toilet and bath. Convenient siya since nandito na siya sa baba. So this will be used ng mga guests mo, etc. Now, tara sa taas. Dito naman sa taas, nandito ang ating 3 bedrooms and yung ating second toilet and bath. Here, come here. But, here muna. This part muna. Kasi itong area na to, as you can see, ayan, parang space ka pa dito if work from home ka or gusto mo magkaroon ng, let's say, mini library or office, pwede siya dito. Pwede mo yun dito ipalagay. Well ventilated yan kasi we have a lot of windows. Again, sliding windows. Ang ginamit natin sa mga windows na yun ay clear glass. Now, dito, ayan, dito. Dito is our master's bedroom. Ganito yung itsura ng master's bedroom natin. We have a French type window. May aircon hole na din yan. Actually, lahat ng rooms natin may aircon hole na nakasama. Meron na talaga siyang provision for your aircon. Okay? Now, tara naman sa second, third, and yung ating last toilet and bath. Now, let's go here. So, this is your second bedroom. Ganito naman yung itsura niya. Kung ano po yung nakikita nyo here, gano'n na din siya upon turnover. So, again, may tiles, painted yung walls, naka-sliding windows, may aircon hole, may partitions yung mga bedroom. Literally, gamit nyo na lang yung kulang. Let's go naman dito sa third bedroom. Ayan. So, ganito siya. Meron din tayong aircon hole, sliding window, and yan. Yung mga yan, may mga outlet na din tayo. Ganyan talaga siya. Like, ito na yun, everyone. Ganito na siya. By the way, third over ng unit is May to June 2025. So, kung halimbawa, gusto niya din makalipat next year, pwede, and tamang-tama to sa inyo. Now, let's check our second toilet and bath. Basically, the same with the first toilet and bath. Kung ano yung nandun, yun din yung nandito. We have our telephone shower, the outlet, the toilet, the lavatory, yung buong walls, naka-tiles na din siya. And as you can see, yung design ng tiles natin, not the ordinary one. Maganda din yung design niya. Minimalist and static naman yung design ng toilet and bath natin. Actually, yung buong house natin, yung vibe niya, minimalist lang talaga siya. It's white, brown, and black. Yun lang yung colors na makikita mo dito sa house. So yun, again, this is our Santavi mansion. You can reserve this for only for only 15,000 pesos and a down payment of 123,400 na pwede pang installment na 4 months. Available via bank financing. Ayun. Available by bank financing for only 24,000 a monthly amortization. So that's it. If you wanted to schedule a site to visit, message me and I'll see you here in Santavi.